lecture series on advanced separation process. My name is Jamin Pandya, Assistant Professor in Chemical Engineering Department of LJ Institute of Engineering and Technology. So let's continue with the chapter number 2, which is a membrane separation processes. So in this lecture, we'll discuss about various types of membrane module such as plate and frame membrane module, tubular membrane module, spiral wound membrane module, and hollow fiber membrane module. So let's first discuss about membrane module. What is meaning of membrane module? For practical application, membrane are installed in suitable device which is referred to a membrane module. The membrane can be cast as a flat sheet, tubes, fine hollow fiber. For such a shape and structure, different type of membrane module are available. There are basically 4 different design of membrane module which are most common used, such as plate and frame membrane module, tubular membrane module, spiral wound membrane module, and hollow fiber membrane module. Apart from the 4 modules, there are several other modules used in special application such as thin channel membrane module, parallel leaf type membrane module, plated sheet membrane module, rotating disc cylinder membrane module, and flow capillary module, which also used in membrane separation processes. So let's first discuss about first module, which is a plate and frame membrane module. These are similar to plate and frame filter press with a series of flat membrane sheets. The plate and frame module have a various variation. The most common one consists of thin plastic plate covered on both sides by membrane, which are sealed around the edge to prevent leakage. The plate sometimes reassemble phonograph record in that their flat structure contains small grooves through which the permeate flow after the passing through the membrane. So here you can see the image of membrane module. There is one schematic of membrane module where the feed is entered from this side and permeate can pass through the membrane and collected from the top of this plate and frame module, and retentant or rejected a molecule that are bigger than pore size of this membrane are rejected and that collected from this portion and collected from this side, which is known as a retentant or concentrate, a solute which has bigger size than pore size of membrane that will be rejected from the membrane, and a substance which has lower molecular size than pore membrane that can be passed from this membrane. So let us take a look how the plate and frame membrane module work using this animation. So this is one plate and frame membrane module. From this side the feed in and this side from permeate is rejected from this yellow line and retentant rejected from this side. So this is one example of plate and frame membrane module. Feed is enter from this side and the rejected or retentant will be rejected from this side, and the permeate can be passed from this side. So this is how the plate and frame membrane module work. So let's discuss various advantages of plate and frame membrane module. In plate and frame membrane module, sheet can be quite close to one another to reduce the concentration polarization. Second advantage for the plate and frame membrane module is that they can be easily used for the cleaning purpose. So this is all about the plate and frame membrane module. Now let's discuss second module, which is a tubular membrane module. Tubular module reassemble a cell and tube heat exchanger, but feed flow through the tube, permeate pass through the wall of the tube into the cell side of the module. In some tubular module, the feed is supplied to outside of membrane tube. Tubular device consists of parallel bundle of rigid wall, porous or perforated tubes. This module contain up to the 30 tubes. So this is one example of the tubular module and how the tubular module look like. There is one real tubular membrane module which contain number of tubes, or it acts as a cell and tube heat exchanger. From this tube, the feed flow and permeate can pass through this membrane. A wall of this tube is made from the membrane and their support. So, a molecule which are smaller than pore of the membrane module that can be passed from this wall and collected from this cell side. To understand tubular membrane module, let's consider this animation in which mixture can pass from this tube and permeate can be flow from this tube, and rejected or retentant or solute that have bigger molecule size than pore size of the membrane that can be rejected or can be collected from this side. So this is the mechanism about the tubular module. Now let us discuss a various advantage of tubular membrane module. Tubular membrane module can be operated with simple pre-treatment of feed. This can be mechanically cleaned by the forcing a sponge ball through the tube. Membrane area or module space ratio is small compared to the various other membrane module. Membrane contamination can be minimized by the high feed flow rate. So these all are various advantage of tubular membrane module. Now let us discuss a next membrane module, which is a spiral wound membrane module. This module essentially consists of large membrane envelope, roll like jelly roll. It is formed from plate and frame sheet wrapped around the central collector pipe. A permeate space is a switch between two membranes, the porous support side of the membrane being faced to the permeate spacer. A thin film composite membrane consists of thin active layer of one polymer cast of the thickness supporting layer of different polymers. The composite membrane usually exhibit the highly rejection at lower operation pressure than the cellulose acetate band. The composite membrane material may be a polyamide, polysulfone or other polymers. A cutaway drawing of the spiral wound membrane element is shown in this figure. So this one is a membrane and this one is a spacer. A permeate can be passed through this membrane, and a molecule which size is higher than membrane pore size that can be rejected from here, and permeate can be collected from this side to this collector pipe or permeate collector pipe, and will get the permeate from here. To understand the spiral wound membrane module, let's check this animation. So this is a one type of spiral wound module in which there is a collector pipe which roll by the various membrane and spacer. This is a various membrane and sheet of membrane. Approximately 1000 sheet of the membrane consist in this membrane module. So this is one membrane water molecule that can be passed from the membrane pores. A size of the large molecule or monovalent that cannot be passed from the membrane because this size is 10 times larger than the water molecule. And this one is the size of virus that can be 100 times greater than the size of the water, and this one is a bacteria size which 100,000 times or 10,000 times larger than water molecule. So that cannot be passed from the surface of the this membrane. Water can pass from this side and we can collect the permeate from this collector pipe. So this is how the spiral wound membrane is work. So let us discuss a various advantage of spiral wound membrane module. In spiral wound membrane module, high pressure spiral element can withstand in excess of 1000 psi pressure. They are compact in size. High membrane packaging density results in more efficient utilization of floor space. Low permeate pressure drop and membrane contamination in this type of membrane module. Spiral wound membrane module offer minimum concentration, polarization and minimum pressure drop at permeate channel. So this is all about the spiral wound membrane module. Now let us discuss next membrane module, which is a hollow fiber membrane module. The hollow fiber membrane module consists of fibers with outer diameter of 25 to 250 micrometer and wall thickness of 5 to 50 micrometer. The fiber wall has a structure of asymmetric membrane, the active skin layer being placed to the feed side. A bundle of hollow fibers are mounted in pressure vessel and open end of U-shaped fiber plot into the head plate. Input water under high pressure flow over outside surface of fiber. The permeated water then flow out through the base of fibrous and collected as a product. In hollow fiber membrane module, permeate water flow per unit area of membrane is low and therefore concentration polarization is not high at membrane surface. The net result in the hollow fiber unit operate in non-turbulent or laminar flow region. Typically, single hollow fiber permeator can be operated at up to 50% recovery and meet minimum rejection flow required in hollow fiber membrane. So this is a real image of the hollow fiber membrane module. Hollow fiber membrane module which look like this. The cross section of this hollow fiber membrane module that can be look like this. This is one outlet of the hollow fiber membrane module and this one is the inlet of the membrane module. Permeate can be collected over here and the rejected will be collected from this side. So this is one type of hollow fiber membrane module. To understand hollow fiber membrane module, let's consider this animation. Hollow fiber membrane module is used as a series bed in which number of various membrane module or membrane hollow fiber module placed and in which there is a number of the capillary tube are used like this, where the flow that can be passed over the tube and permeate can be passed from the wall side of the tube and collected from top over the membrane module and retention or rejected that can be collected from this side and we can get clear permeate from this side. This is also one example of the hollow fiber membrane module plant in which water can flow from this side and we can get pure water. So this is a one hollow fiber membrane module which contain number of plates or number of capillary tube. So this is one cross section of one capillary tube in which water can pass from the wall of the capillary tube and these viruses and bacteria cannot pass from the wall of the tube and that can be rejected from this area. So this is all about the hollow fiber membrane module mechanism. Now let us discuss various advantages of hollow fiber membrane module. In hollow fiber membrane module, a huge number of fibers can be packed inside a cartridge, thereby rendering high area volume ratio at lower cost. Hollow fiber is a flexible membrane. It can be carried out the filtration by the two-way either inside or outside. The tangential flow along the membrane surface limit the membrane fouling. Hollow fiber membrane can be designed for the circulation and dead end and single pass operation. So this is all about the hollow fiber membrane module. Now let's discuss a various membrane module. A part of this membrane module, there are various membrane modules which used in industry such as thin channel membrane module, rotating cylinder membrane module, parallel leaf type membrane module, flow capillary membrane module and plated sheet membrane module. These all membrane modules are used in industry for the various purposes. So let us discuss in detail about this membrane module. In thin channel membrane module, this type of hardware is used in some ultrafiltration process. Here, feed stream flow through the narrow channel such as 0.025 to 0.076 centimeter at high velocity such as 152 to 762 centimeter per second. In parallel leaf type, in this type of module, double sheet of membrane are sealed on three sides and the membrane envelope form is supported on cardboard-like porous material. This style, when used for the dairy application, has a stack of membrane elements that are assembled in brick-shaped groups which are then inserted into the stainless steel square. Each of these membrane cartridge has permeate discharge connection. In flow capillary module, the module is used mainly in dialysis where the boundary layer effect must be controlled on feed and permeate side of membrane. These modules are characterized by the straight membrane capillary and axial flow through the fiber and cell. Here the capillary membrane are installed in tubular housing in such a way that the cell side solution is flowing through the module perpendicular to the capillary. This perpendicular flow provides a certain turbulence at membrane surface, thereby rendering better control over the concentration polarization effect that of flow pattern to the cell side membrane surface. This type of module is a preferred because of its high packing density and low production cost. Now let's talk about the rotating disc membrane module. The rotating disc membrane filter is a highly shear rotary cross flow device composed of hollow fiber membrane. Covered disc stick on the hollow shaft which turn inside a pressurized vessel. This liquid separation technology provides for the continuous three-way separation of water, materials lighter than water and heavier than water material. Water permeates into the membrane disc and exits through the hollow shaft under pressure within the vessel to outside of the membrane disc. Disc rotation produces a shear at membrane surface that stores deposit material from the membrane, thereby maintaining lower resistance to a flow through it. Centrifugal force within a membrane disc creates a back pressure that may reduce the efficiency of process. The fluid mechanics of this system using computational fluid dynamics and laboratory observation of particle transport and deposition are required to have better understanding of process and design optimization. The key property of the efficiency membrane module are high packaging density, good control of concentration polarization, and membrane fouling. It's also advantage for the low operating cost and maintenance cost and cost-effective production. For efficiency of membrane process in certain applications, the choice of proper membrane module is a great importance. Module geometry play a important role in determining the application, type of feed stream to treat and permeation required. Conventional membrane geometry can be poorly suited to the treatment of special feed stream such as a sludge, suspension of microorganism, cellular material, as well as slurry of adsorption such as a powder activated carbon. In this use of innovative geometry is being explored within a goal of maintaining membrane performance, improving the separation and increasing yield. So this is all about the membrane module. So in this lecture, discuss about various types of membrane module such as a latent frame membrane module, tubular membrane module, spiral wound membrane module, hollow fiber membrane module, and various other type membrane module such as thin channel membrane module, parallel leaf membrane module, rotating disc Relinum membrane module, and flow capillary module. So this is all about today's lecture. I am completing my lecture here. Thank you.